In this video, we see exercise 3.4 second problem. The question is find the excluded values if any of the following expressions. Okay. So some expressions are given. We find the excluded values. So what is mean excluded values mean? If you substitute the value y, if we example in x or y, we substitute some values that expressions are 0. Then that is the excluded values. If you substitute that values, the expressions are 0. So we not substituted that values. That is the excluded values. Excluded. Okay. That values are excluded. Other values are you substitute, then we get the answer. Some values are getting. But some values we put for x or y values, that expressions are 0. Okay. That values are excluded values. That value is we find out. So the first expressions, the question y by y squared minus 25. So in the rational numbers, numerator 0 means 0, no, nothing to worry. But in denominator you want to 0, then that is no values. So must not equal to 0. Okay, denominator is not equal to 0. Then we get the excluded values. Okay, so how to solve? We take denominator y squared minus 25 not equal to 0. So how to write? Y squared minus 5 squared. So y plus 5 into y minus 5. What is the mean? Means a squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So y plus 5 equal to 0, y minus 5 is equal to 0 means y is equal to minus 5, y is equal to 5. So this minus 5 and 5 are the excluded values. If you substitute for minus 5 in y, then denominator is 0. Or plus 5 you substitute for y, also the denominator is 0. So the expression is not valid. So these are the excluded values for this expression. Okay. So same like the second problem, t by t squared minus 5t plus 6. So we need to find the factors first. So what is mean? If you get both take two numbers, then multiply it, we get 6, and then we can add it minus 5. What are the numbers? 3 into 2 means 6. 3 plus 2 5. So we given minus, so we put minus into minus plus 6, minus both minus, so we can add minus 3 plus minus 2 means minus 5. So the factors are t minus 3 into t minus 2. So the denominator is not equal to 0. So t minus 3 is equal to 0, t minus 2 is equal to 0 means t is equal to 3, t is equal to 2. The 3 comma 2 are excluded values. Very simple. Okay, so how to solve? The denominator values or factors are find out. Then we get the values of x or y or some variables. That values you substitute, then the whole expression is, the denominator is 0. If the denominator is 0, then the expressions are not valid. Okay. Okay, same like this third problem, how to solve? X squared plus 6x plus 8 by x squared plus x minus 2. So how to solve means, both numerator and denominator also polynomials, so we factors all find out. For numerator, multiply 8, add 6 we get. Okay, so 4 2s are 8, 4 plus 2 6, so x plus 4 into x plus 2. In the denominator, minus 2 multiply, and then we can add plus 1. So 2 into 1 minus 2, 2 minus 1 1. So x plus 2 into x minus 1. So x plus 2 cancel. So in denominator, x minus 1 equal to not equal to 0. That is the condition. But x minus 1 is equal to 0 means x is equal to 1. If you substitute in x equal to 1, then the denominator is 0. So only this value is the excluded value. Okay. Okay. In this last sum, x cube minus 27 by x cube plus x squared minus 6x. So how to solve means, first in numerator x cube minus 3 cube. So a cube minus b cube formula. Divided by all terms have s, so we take outside x into x squared plus x minus 6. Okay. Okay. So a cube minus b cube formula, a minus b into a squared plus ab plus b squared. So x minus 3 into x squared plus 3x plus 9 by x into x, the factors of x squared plus x minus 6 means multiply minus 6, we can add 1. So 3 2s are 6, 3 minus 2 1, plus into minus minus. So x plus 3 into x minus 2. So the denominator values is not equal to 0 means x is equal to 0, x plus 3 is equal to 0, x minus 2 is equal to 0. So 0, x equal to minus 3, here x equal to 2. So the excluded values are 0, minus 3, plus 2. Okay. Why we get 3 values? Because this is the x cube. So we get 3 factors. Okay. But in before problem, is x squared. So we get two values. But in denominator, we get the excluded value is 1. Okay. That is the excluded values of 1. So these are the problems, very easy one. Just to find the factors and equal to 0, then we get the excluded values. Okay. Thank you.